This is concerned not about cows and animals. This is about weather. भाई यहाँ का वेदर ऐसा चेंज होता है, क्या कहूँ. You must see the rainfalls. You must see raindrops. You may be seeing. Maybe my phone camera capture it or not. But what the weather. It's awesome. The other day, did you look there? There, there is a fog. It's not a smoke. It's a fog. If you ever try come here, if you ever change your mind to come here, please contact me. You can live inside my house. You can live with me. I can treat you very well. I didn't show you area that is like paradise to you, not me but to you. The first time I came, I I just say, wow, what kind of place is that? This is a paradise, not a place to live. महावीर की धरती है, तो महादेव यहाँ बसते हैं और महावीर भी यहाँ बसते हैं. जय श्री राम, जय महावीर हनुमान.